Let's talk about diamonds. Pure carbon. Arranged in a crystal lattice so tight, it makes graphite look like it's barely trying. Same element, totally different vibe. Diamonds are what happen when carbon spends a billion years under pressure, buried 90 to 120 miles beneath Earth's surface, and then gets shot out of a volcano like it's late for a red carpet event. In scientific terms, we're talking about ultra-high pressure metamorphism and kimberlite eruptions. In non-scientific terms, lava cannon launches sparkly rocks into the crust. Nature is wild. Now, if you want to get a diamond, you've got options. They range from vaguely realistic to requires a Netflix heist special. Here are 6 scientifically accurate ways to get a diamond. All possible. Some ethical. Few affordable. Method 1. Mine them. Step 1. Find a kimberlite pipe. Step 2. Acquire an open-pit mine the size of Rhode Island. Step 3. Move 250 tons of rock to find 1 carat. That's about 0.2 grams of sparkly carbon. To put it in perspective, you're literally looking for a sesame seed in a mountain. A very shiny, emotionally loaded sesame seed. Also, 99% of what you find won't go into rings. It'll be used in saw blades or industrial drills. Because yes, the world's hardest natural substance is mostly used to cut countertops. Chance of success, statistically insignificant. Chance of regretting your geology degree, alarmingly high. Method 2. Sift a riverbed. Some diamonds make their way to riverbeds after erosion does its thing. Alluvial mining, if you're fancy. Basically, you're playing glitter bingo with gravel. It works best in places like Namibia or the Congo Basin. But good luck getting permits or cell reception. Expect hours of back pain, sun exposure, and a high risk of identifying quartz with delusional optimism. You'll call everything probably a diamond until you run out of enthusiasm or water. Chance of diamonds, maybe. Chance of sunstroke and existential dread, absolutely. Method 3. Become a diamond cutter. This is for the perfectionists. Cutting a diamond means studying its crystal orientation, internal flaws, and cleavage planes. Yes, cleavage is a scientific term. Behave. You'll use lasers, microscopes, and nerves of steel. The goal? Maximize brilliance, minimize waste. One wrong angle, and your $10,000 rough diamond becomes a $40 paperweight for a dollhouse. Chance of working with diamonds, high. Chance of owning them, none. Chance of explaining your job at parties, very low. Method 4. Marry into it. This method involves no volcanology or laser safety goggles. Just charisma, emotional intelligence, and maybe learning to say things like, "Of course I noticed the subtle asymmetry in the setting." Bonus points if your partner has a family vault, or refers to grandma's jewelry as heirloom grade. Just don't ask too many questions about provenance. Chance of acquiring diamonds, moderate. Chance of long-term emotional negotiations, high. Method 5. Heist 1, strongly discouraged. Yes, diamonds are tempting. Yes, Hollywood has taught you that you can bypass security systems with charm and a jazz soundtrack. No, that's not how real life works. Real diamond facilities have biometric locks, armed guards, and insurance companies who will absolutely notice when one goes missing. Also, fun fact, most gem-grade diamonds are laser inscribed with serial numbers. So even if you did steal one, you'd also need to learn micro-laser etching. Hope you minored in applied optics. Chance of success, basically zero. Chance of being a case study in a business ethics class, 100%. Method 6. Make one. Now we're talking science. You can grow real diamonds in a lab using 2 main methods, HPHT as high pressure, high temperature, which mimics the conditions deep in the Earth's mantle. Or CVD, chemical vapor deposition, which grows diamonds from carbon gas inside a vacuum chamber. Yes, we figured out how to 3D print Earth's greatest flex. Lab diamonds are chemically identical to natural ones. Same atomic structure. Same hardness. Same sparkle. They even confuse some jewelers and upset the diamond cartel, which is kind of satisfying. Chance of success, very high. Chance of explaining this at dinner parties with diagrams, also high. So, can you get a diamond? Yes. But it might involve a geology degree, a clean room, or a well-planned proposal. The smarter move? Buy a small lab diamond. Enjoy the sparkle. And take comfort knowing it didn't require explosives, lava, or generational wealth. Because in the end, diamonds are just pressurized carbon. What makes them special isn't how rare they are, it's the story we build around them, whether it starts in the Earth's mantle, or a lab in South Carolina.